Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. So today it's gonna be a different one. I'll be sharing with you how I make my bar laundry soap, and I hope you all enjoy this video. If you really do watch it and enjoy it, please let me know at the comment section, or if you want to be seeing more of this, please let me know at the comment section so I can show you and say it in details. This is also a details video. When you watch, you understand, but if you really want more, let me know at the comment section. I hope you guys enjoy today's video. So if you're new here or you're just seeing my video for the first time, welcome. Thank you for stopping by. My name is Abigail Ifoma. Yes, and it's good to have you guys around. Please don't forget to drop a comment at the comment section. Also, like this video, share with your loved ones. Yes, you can save it as well so you can do it yourself. This is a self-explanatory video, and I hope when you watch it you understand. Make yours as well after watching this video. Thank you so much for your love and support, for always tuning in to watch my videos. I'll see you all in my next one. Thank you.